Hello everyone. It's me, NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Verstappen. April 1st, not April 1st, not April Fool's Day. We're boycotting April Fool's Day. It's 4:37 in the afternoon on Monday, April 1. Stop the madness. This market is on fire. There's nothing but green on the screen. Records across the board. Dow Jones up 340, right off its high, 26.3 again. We are back in the money again. We are back in the game again. Russell up 17, S&P up 33, oil up $1.57 at 61.75. Transports out of bear territory, back up here at 10,650, up 250 points. Volume okay. What in God's name is going on? We've got wonderment, amazement, money coming into this market, valuations like we have never seen. Beginning of the second quarter, suddenly everything looks bright and shiny. It is springtime in America. Okay, whatever narrative that was negative, talking about slowing Chinese growth and economic slowdown worldwide, globally, and whatnot, happened last Friday, is over. That was a one-day affair, ladies and gentlemen. Monday and Tuesday, we sort of flatlined, rallying and selling off minorly in a channel about yields and whatnot. But all that being said, articles came out over the weekend saying that if there was not a divergence of more than 20 basis points in this inverse yield curve, then it really has no bearing on the market. Whether that had something to do with it, whether there's a deal in China that we're not really clear about, not etched in stone yet, we're seeing people flood into this market, covering shorts, putting money to work, underinvested. Look, we're seeing that the first quarter projections that we had coming out of December, which was a torturous month, looked weak with guidance and earnings basically flat. All that being said, going into the second quarter, and historically first quarters are troublesome, but seems like that's over now. We are talking about money being put to work. Green, cash is king, green is supreme. Stop the madness, hop on this train. We're busted through 28, we're almost at 2,900 in the S&P. Forget about 2,800, look back, that's yesterday's news. If you look at the screen behind me, there's a lot of green, lower left to upper right, all green on the screen. We came in, we were up 230, and then that was the last stop we saw on that. We closed up 350. S&P on fire, going to 2,900. Dow Jones Industrial Average at 26.3. Look back, don't stare, just look forward and hop on board this train. Short of a disaster, we are going back in the game. We're hitting record highs. This market's on fire. That's all I got to say. I don't have to really look that much into it. Whatever negative narrative there was, it was short term. Whatever shorts that are in the market, they're covering. Whatever risk reward you're looking at on the downside is gone. We are looking forward, looking to great earnings, looking to the second quarter as a place where you've got to put this money, plus you've got people underinvested in this market. Let's get into it. I am NYC Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. One day does not make a market, but for today, the green is back in the game, and I think you got to hop on board. I love you all. It's Inside Verstappen from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I'll see you tomorrow.